Hello guys, welcome to my channel Abego TV. Now I will teach you how to identify the ID net card or look card from the Simplex Paralarm 4100. Okay, and I hope it can help you about this tutorial. From this one, there's a lot of my friends in technical, they are asking me how to identify the ID net card or look card. That's why I make a video, and later on they can see in my channel. Okay. First, guys, I will show you the card. Okay. This one, the people making installation from this one, they not make any label from the card. That's why if you don't know how to identify the ID net card, you will be confused. Okay, this one is loop number 1, card number 1, card number 2, and this one is 7. Before, I think this one is card number 3. That's why you are confusing if you don't know how to identify this one. Okay, now I will show to you. First, you go to the ID net. Okay, ID net number 2. This means this one loop number 1. Because this, if you press this one, this number 1, they use through another card. That's why they skip to number 2. It means loop number 1. Okay, after that, that's the address number from the detector. And then press enter and press more info until you see the LED type ID net 250. After that, press enter. Keep in pressing, and you go to the card. You see there is a flashing LED. It means this is the loop number 1. Okay. After that, we will go to the loop number 7. Again, press 6. ID net. After press 8, dash device number 1, enter, more info. Okay, LED type ID net 250, press enter again. Okay, now you see, guys, this is the card number 7. Okay, now even there is no label from the card, you can identify now. I hope it can help you a lot from this small tutorial, and please like my channel. Bye.